Hey guys, so I'm back home now. My sister's making fun of me because she's like, that's what they always say. But I don't know what else to say, I'm back home. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and this one is going to be, guess what? A vlog again. So I'm literally so excited. I'm gonna show you guys my dog, show you a little bit more about my life, and I'm gonna hang out with some friends, so it should be quite fun. I mean, it's literally like 5 p.m. already, but yeah, it's just gonna be like a quick spend the day, well, part of the day with me kind of thing. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much, and thank you for putting up with my inconsistency, and I promise that this is the start of a new thing. I'm going to be way more consistent now with my content. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. So I'm pretty much ready to go, but I have to get this little girl ready. She wears clothes because she's like a super tiny dog, so she's a bit sensitive. So I'm just gonna put on trying to put on this little bodysuit, and then I'm gonna put a coat on top because otherwise she gets cold. It's so funny because she's an extra small, but even like it's like a bit too big. Oh, Stella, say hi. Boo boo. Boo boo boo. Say hello. Hand. And now I've just put her coat on as well, so she's all ready to go. I just have to put her neck brace for the leash. This is my outfit. I just wear something basic, and then my sister's boots. Oh, I actually love these boots. They just make your legs look so nice. Then I got my camera with me if I do decide to use it, but I never do. Hey, come on. Doggies dance. Hey, hey. Hey guys, meet Stella. So I just wanted to show you guys my little baby. Stella, say hi. Come on. She's literally so moody today. I don't know why.
No, she looks calm.
So yeah, guys, we are at London Bridge. It's just really beautiful. So we just thought we'd bring the dogs here, and like so difficult. They're literally reuniting. Guys, look at Stella and Kaya. Kaya is so excited. Let's meet Dana. Kaya's super excited. Stella's like, I'm too old for this. We're just trying to get them to socialize and do something together. I'm actually screaming. Hey.
You can't even see.
Can we not?
No, you can't.
Oh. Yeah, so we're about to do a little mini photo shoot at night in London. It's gonna bang and look amazing. This is the pictures we took.
With this side. She looks so serious. Are you okay?
Yeah. I'm just thinking, you know, this girl, she embarrasses me. Like, people will be watching and she will literally start crouching. I'm like, not now, please. And then she does it. And everyone is looking at me and I'm like, oh, I have to pick it up. She's like, save me. Don't rip my ties, babe. Weird. Guys, I'm literally stuck. Literally don't know what happened. I am stuck.
There we go.
These tights are literally bulletproof. Like, Stella should have ripped these by now.
She's naughty. No.
How old is she?
She's 5 months. I'm trying to...
Yeah. Oh, she's too excited.
Ew. Say hello.
Oh, she's so cute. So Donna said that we should write a script, and I was like, no, I don't think that's natural, and that's not me. So I want you guys to see the real me and my life. So this is my diary, and I'm gonna look back in 10 years time and be like, wow, I was really loving life.
You know,
and then my kids can watch this. What?
I think that the real you without me is just so boring.
Guys, okay. This girl, I don't know who she thinks she is. I mean, she is my best friend, but she's like, you without me would be boring. But I spice up your life.
Here you go, I'm out.
I spice up your life. Thought I embarrassed her. She's trying to call me a snake. What?
You're just twisting things.
She's literally twisting my words. I look cute in the video and it was my video, so I was gonna post it. I'm joking, no, she actually just didn't look bad and she's just so picky sometimes. So I had to put her in check and let her know that she's still cute, okay? Know your worth, ladies. Always know your worth.
Why are you upset? Please.
Oh, this Uber guy is actually just taking so long. So we're at London Bridge and my hands are cold and we're waiting for an Uber. But you guys keep cancelling on me and now it's saying 5 minutes. Can you imagine? Okay, it's saying 3 now. But when I originally wanted to complain, it said 5. So we're gonna go meet my friend Tara and then she has a dog as well. So all of our doggies can meet together and be besties. I'm thinking maybe we should get a black cab because we won't say anything about the dogs either.
Sure, we could. Wait, can we? I don't see one. Let's go find one.
Yeah, let's go. You guys don't understand how happy I am to be back in like the warmth and just good vibes. So yeah, I ended up getting a black cab because it was just not like cooperating, like nothing was going right. So yeah, now we're gonna go meet Chai, which is super exciting for Stella, another doggy friend. So on today's episode of Stella Embarrassing Me, she has managed to pee here, pee outside the mats here, and also pee on this lovely carpet. And look who we have here. Hello Chai. So this is Chai, Stella's new bestie. She just doesn't know it yet. Hello Chai. Chai. Okay. Chai. Okay, I think Chai's a bit shy because I think she had some bad experiences with other dogs. And Stella is just extremely excited. Play. Go. Go. Okay, she just doesn't want to play. So yeah guys, this is Chai, Tara's dog, and she is super cute. But Tara and Stella don't want to play together and I don't know why. So we just decided to go on a walk with the dogs and it was really nice.
Yeah,
Super random. So we were on a walk and we just found this shop that was closing up. We were like looking under the like thing that comes down, and then the guy just like opened it up and was like, and we were like, oh, we just want to have a look. Hello.
What about them?
I actually love
all my
these.
life, and I was like, where is this?
Just came here at the start of lockdown.
Oh. Stella, say hi. Hey. Store is actually lit.
Not 11, 10 and a half. Was it 11?
Hey guys. Tara. We just went on a walk and we had a good time.
Yeah.
You bought shoes. Yeah.
Oh yes, I did. I bought shoes. There's a new store on Kings
Yeah,
Road.
Kings Road. Go
visit
check it
it.
out. It's called
Cop it.
Cop It.
Like,
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
Some more furry friends. More doggy friends. Stella is literally so hyper. I'm so surprised she hasn't ripped these tights off already. With me, and I literally carried her the whole way home because she literally just put her paw down on the floor and was like, I am not moving. Like she was literally doing a Rosa Parks, but she does that every time she's tired, and I'm like, don't do it in front of people. Like, but this girl, this dog, she would embarrass you. And literally when we were at Tara's house, she was like peeing outside the mat. I was like, girl, not here, honestly not here. Thankfully Tara understands. But yeah, I'm back home. I quickly just had to pop off to the pharmacy to get some medication, and everyone's always like, oh, she's so cute. And I've had this dog for like 3 years and I still don't know what to do when people stop me. I'm just like, oh yeah. Then you have to make awkward small talk when they also have dogs and the dogs are playing. You're just kind of like, I don't want your dirty dog, like. Don't want to be rude, but some dogs are so big. I'm like, have you seen her? You're gonna crush her. Oh, hello. I actually love these boots. Oh my gosh, I'm doing the most. Do you know what, Stella? I can't lie. I want to put you down. Yeah, I'm gonna put her down. Okay, jump. Okay, here we go. Oh no, it's tied around her leg. Do you know what, girl? I'm just gonna drop everything. She's like, what are you doing? Anyway, Stella, this is not about you right now. It's about me and my outfits. So yeah, this is what I wore today. I usually wear a belt bag when I'm with her just because like I can't really be carrying stuff. Or why is it not focusing? Yeah, she needs to be carried, or I need to feed her some snacks, or there's like always something that I need my hands for. So, and yeah, my head, she just does not stay down. Like you guys saw, I had the headband before I left the house to try and get that clip on, you know, everything on deck, and it's still just, I'm so tired of it. But listen, anyway, I just realized I did not press the lift button, so I have literally been stuck here, and now I don't know where my key is. Stella is usually so ready. She like, this is like her walk of fame. She loves walking down here. Yeah, so basically I have to open the door for her, and then she like goes. Let me show you. Okay, 3, wait. Stella, wait. Go, 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 go. You had fun, didn't you, Stella boo boo?
Happy to be back with me. He looks like a traumatized though. Yeah,
What? Yeah. Hold up, guys. There is a liar in the building. Hey guys, so I am finally back home. I just took my coat off and yeah, getting comfortable. But yeah, anyway, I had a really good day with Stella, and you know, I was really happy to show you guys that part of my life, and you know, seeing a couple of my friends just doing random stuff, and yeah, it turned out to be a really good day. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. So please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and hit the bell button so that you get a notification every time I post a video. Don't miss any of my videos, and also watch all of my previous vlogs. I think I'm gonna come out with a lot of vlogs, so that's what I enjoy doing. And yeah, see you at my next video. Mwah. This is starting something new. So anyway, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe and hit, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I already said that. Oh! Thank you so much for watching. No, I'm shouting at them. Oh my god. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. No offense. I just got back home, so that is, oh my gosh.
I cut your forehead in some parts.
Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry. Accidentally. I'm sorry.
I'm literally such a snacker. So I'm like, you can hear the microwave. But to be fair, I actually haven't eaten the whole day because I don't even know what I was supposed to do. But I was busy, and then obviously I went out to see my friends and to do Stella's thing, so I didn't really get to, I actually didn't get to eat. Does anyone get days like this as well? You just forget to eat, and then get to the end of the day and you're like, I'm not actually hungry, but like, I should have some food. So yeah, that's what's happening to me now. Oh guys, look at this. Got dim sum, spring rolls, filet steak in black pepper sauce, egg fried rice, and some kumpo chicken. Yeah, it's really, really nice.